Okay, besties, let's get into it. Grab your iced tea or iced coffee, pull out all your cute goodies from Shein, Amazon, DHgate, or even my Shopify store, and let's have a girly FaceTime gossip moment. We're just chatting, sharing thoughts, opinions, and reactions based on what's been going around on the blogs and the internet. Everything is alleged, and for entertainment purposes only. We're keeping it friendly, fun, and super detailed like we always do. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, babe. It helps the channel so much and lets me know you're here vibing with me. So allegedly, Miss Jania Meshel and NBA player Dejounte Murray are in a little situation right now. Not the cute, romantic, soft launch moment. Nope. This is the "why are you outside again?" moment. The blogs are saying Jania was out having a girls' night. Bottle service, sparkles, pretty selfies, just living her regular influencer, soft life, outside aesthetic. And apparently, Dejounte was not feeling it at all. Because next thing we know, Dejounte is on Instagram posting all those cryptic emotional quotes. You know, that "I just want peace and real love" type vibe. And everybody was like, "Sir, what happened between bottle sparklers and Shakespeare monologues?" Because we blinked one time and suddenly we are in a whole relationship TED Talk. And the internet wasted zero time bringing out receipts. Like the girls started digging up old clips like, "Sir, you were outside too. Let's not pretend." The timeline turned into a PowerPoint presentation real quick. The fans were saying, y'all love trying to turn outside girls into housewives when that's literally how y'all met them. And I mean, where is the lie? Meanwhile, Jania is just chilling. She's posting cute selfies, liking tweets talking about a woman can be a mother and still have a life. And the girls were clapping, snapping, and waving fans like it was spoken word night. And honestly, she's right. Motherhood looks different for everybody. And we are not here to mom shame. That is grown people business, baby. What makes this messy is that they were just good recently. Booed up, smiling, vibing, so now it looks less like real relationship issues and more like both of them reacting out of feelings instead of talking. And anytime communication goes through Instagram stories instead of actual conversation, oh yeah, we're in public relationship mode, not private love mode. The internet is definitely picking sides. Half are like, let Jania live her life. And the other half are like, Dejounte just wants peace and stability. And honestly, neither side is completely wrong. It's just two people with two different lifestyles trying to make one relationship work. Because here's the thing, Jania's brand has always been beauty influencer, soft life, outside with the girls, booked and pretty. That's her aesthetic. That's her career. So asking her to suddenly be quiet and stay inside, that's not her environment. And it's obvious they do care about each other. You can feel it. But love alone doesn't solve lifestyle differences. Communication, boundaries, and shared expectations do. And right now, it's giving, we need a calm conversation, not a sub-tweet battle. But you know what really has the girls talking? The double standard conversation popped up quickly. Because the blogs were like, when Dejounte is city to city, dinner to dinner, event to event, nobody says anything. But the moment Jania steps out with her homegirls and takes a few cute mirror selfies, suddenly it's, why are you outside? And the girls were like, be for real. And also, Jania is still young. She's still in her glow era, enjoying her beauty, her social life, her femininity. She's allowed to have outside moments. Life does not end when you have a child. It just requires responsibility and balance, not isolation. Meanwhile, Dejounte is clearly in his protective provider era, wanting stability and a pet quiet. And that makes sense too. But when one person is in their homebody chapter and the other is in their outside soft life chapter, communication has to be extra intentional. Otherwise, all you get is misinterpretation and Instagram attitude. And deep down, the internet is rooting for them. Because when they're good, oh, they're good. They look like they love each other. So hopefully this is just a temporary moment and not a permanent shift. But bestie, the blogs are watching closely. Allegedly, if you're still here, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and lets me know you're part of the Glam Gossip family. And if you're looking for cute beauty products, self-care items, or accessories to stay in your feminine, soft, unbothered era, check out my Shopify store. Affordable, aesthetic, and always giving that girl. I love you, bestie. Stay hydrated, stay soft, and protect your peace.